Hi, in this video we're going to highlight some of the things we really like about the Shark Ion Robot 750 vacuum cleaner. But first, what do you get when you buy your Ion Robot 750? Well, we've got it laid out here and we're going to quickly walk through it. Of course, you get the robotic vacuum itself. Just going to upend it here. There is a lithium-ion battery in here. This is the dust canister. In this area, there's a filter and it's already in the machine when you get it. There's room up here to snap on a couple of these spinning brushes, which are included. You also get something Shark calls botboundary tape. There's 9 feet of this stuff, and the idea behind this is you lay it across an area you don't want the vacuum to access. It'll go up to it and then turn around and move off in another direction. This material can be cut, and they give you these 2 botboundary connectors. The idea behind these is you can put a piece of the tape in this side and a piece of the tape in this side and actually make an angle out of it. So that's kind of handy. There's this little device here, good for maybe pulling hair off your brush roll. This couple little brushes, probably good for maybe getting debris and stuff off the filter when you're going to clean your filter. This is the docking station and a charger. And like any vacuum cleaner, you get a little bit of literature with this thing. This is tips and tricks for great performance. This is the manual. The manual is fairly good. It covers most of what you need to know. It's in French, English, and Spanish. And they give you this rather large-looking kind of quick start guide with 5 steps. 1, set up your charging dock. 2, install the side brushes. 3, power up Shark Ion Robot. 4, prep your home for cleaning. And 5, download the Shark Ion Robot app. The vacuum looks pretty much the same as a lot of other robotic vacuums out there in that it is a circular disc. This one has a diameter of 12.6 inches. It has a height of 2.6 inches and it weighs about 5.5 pounds. Now, one of the things we like is that this kind of machine is great for getting under really low furniture, and especially something like a bed that can be really hard to access yourself with a normal vacuum cleaner. We like that the vacuum has a bumper on the front that doesn't damage the things that it runs into. It's got this long rubber strip here, and as you can see, also the bumper kind of moves in and out a bit. So let's take a look how it does on some of these chair legs. You can see it's fairly soft. The vacuum has cliff sensors that work well. They'll stop it from going off any kind of edge or something, like maybe a set of stairs. Let's see how it does on this tabletop. Sometimes there are places you don't really want your robotic vacuum going. We've got this kind of ledge in front of our fireplace. We don't really want the robotic vacuum up here, and sometimes it will actually get hung up. Because I don't want the vacuum up here, I'm laying down in front of this ledge this botboundary tape. Now, it's very easy to lay down. We'll just roll it out here. Remember, they give you about 9 feet of this stuff. Now let's see what happens when I turn the vacuum on. So you can see it instantly avoids it. We like how easy it is to remove and empty the dustbin and to clean the filter on this machine. So to get at the dustbin, you just press down this little button here. It comes right out. You can open the dustbin up. This is the dustbin. You can empty that into a garbage pail or something. And if we close that, we'll see on the back, this little tab opens up and there is your filter. Now the filter just comes out like that. Typically you're going to tap it off over a garbage can. A lot of the loose debris comes off. This tool that we use for pulling hair off the brush roll, the other side of that has some bristles. That can be used to clean dust and debris off the filter. Remember, this filter cannot be rinsed in water. Sometimes you'll also have to clean out this inside area a little bit, but it all goes back together very easily. And this just pops back in, and you're done. We like the really simple and clean interface you get with this vacuum cleaner. You've got a clean button, tells it to clean, a dock button, tells it to go back to the dock, a spot button, tells it to start spot cleaning, which is cleaning in a spiral pattern for a number of minutes. You can see the battery charge indicator. We've got 3 bars, which means it's fully charged here. Over here, what you can't see is an exclamation mark that will show up to tell you if there is a filter problem or a blockage in the vacuum somewhere. And over here, again, what you can't see is a Wi-Fi indicator. You'll get a blue Wi-Fi indicator if you're connected, and it'll turn red if you lose your connection. The vacuum moves well on different surfaces. We've tried it on bare floors, we've tried it on low pile carpet, and we've even tried it on deep pile carpet. And it moves on all of these surfaces fairly well. Now, on deep pile carpet, you probably don't want to run the vacuum a whole lot. It's not going to do a great cleaning job, but it does move over that surface fairly well. So we've got a clip here where we show the machine move from tile to low pile carpet into deep pile carpet. The vacuum has a lithium-ion battery that's easy to replace if you need to do so. You should also get about 1 full hour of cleaning time on a full charge. And if the battery is getting too low, the unit will determine that and send itself back to the dock for a recharge. And recharging the battery on this thing takes about 3 hours. The vacuum is quite good at picking up large debris. We've got a clip of it dealing with Fruit Loops on a bare surface and also on carpet. The vacuum can be controlled via a mobile app, which is downloadable for free online. There's iOS and Android versions available. Now, we installed the app on our iPhone. It installed very easily. You can see the interface here. You've got a big clean button. If I click on that, you can probably hear the machine in the corner starting up. I can go ahead and pause it, and I can send it back to the dock if I want to. And it'll go about its merry way, making its way back to the dock. If I go and take a look at scheduling, for example, you can see that I've got it scheduled to run Monday and Tuesdays, different times of the day. Pretty easy to set the time up on these things. You just pick whatever time you want and save the changes. Now, if we go back to this main menu, we can also see support here. Now, you've got accounts, you've got pairing, which pairs your phone to the robot. You've got scheduling, you've got history, tips and tricks, voice control. Now, your voice control will actually allow you to set up Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. We've also got the manual, we've got parts and accessories, which is kind of cool. You can see a lot of the different parts that are available. And there's even a link through to Shark for these things. There's vacuum FAQ, troubleshooting, errors, and notifications. So there's quite a bit here. Go back to the main menu, and it all works well, and it has a nice, clean, easy-to-use interface. So those are some of the things we like about the Shark Ion Robot 750. Now, there are some things about this vacuum that we don't like, and you can see those in our video entitled Shark Ion Robot 750, What We Dislike. Thanks very much for watching.